Everyone dreams of getting rich, but the problem is that they don't do things step by step. Well, getting rich has certain steps and rules to master. The millionaires got to know these steps long back, and that's why they are rich. We will be telling you the 10 steps that will make you rich very easily. Don't skip the video from between where you may miss some important parts. Now let's start. Step 1. Identify with your money. This needs to be said right away. Your personal earnings are private. Personally, it doesn't mean you can't talk to anyone about your money. Focusing on your own finances means not thinking about other people's finances. Helping you get your finances in order is one of the most important things you can do. Nowadays, people are always comparing themselves to others. Others tell us that we should live in a certain way because that's how great people do it. Step 2. Yourself is the most valuable thing you can spend. Investing in yourself should come before putting money into the stock market. You should spend time, effort, and money to learn the skills you require. Higher education degrees are included. Furthermore, it encompasses extra information and abilities. You can sometimes benefit just as much from learning things that aren't directly related to your job. Companies usually want workers who are well-rounded and can help in a number of ways. Additionally, they want someone who is motivated and eager to grow. Couldn't get that dream job because you were bad at interviews? Learning how to do better next time can be done in classes, books, or online. Constantly working to get better is always a good idea. It gives you more options and raises your professional earning potential. If you want to know the best tricks to earn money and get rich, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. Step 3. Make money by doing something you enjoy. Working is how most people make money. Hiring a steady paying job is the best way to get your finances in order. For even better results, find a job you enjoy. What you enjoy doing will make things a lot easier. In some cases, this means moving jobs. This could mean switching companies if you don't like the people or the way things are set up at the one you're currently working for. For you, it might help to get a part-time job and start working as a freelancer. Although that might not seem like the normal way to do things, your happiness and health is more important than following the rules. Step 4. Make a budget and stick to it. Yes, spending. This is probably information you've heard before. Still, budgets aren't that bad. If you want to spend your money on the things you want, a budget is just a suggestion. Let's start with why a budget is important. Track where your money goes with a budget. Being unaware of your spending can lead you to spend more than you intend. Your budget is the best way to keep track of your money. Step 5. Don't spend more than you can afford. You've probably heard this advice before, along with making a budget. Many of us have trouble following it, which is the problem. For example, in step 1, we talked about how often we hear about things we should buy. We can easily waste cash on things we don't need. Although, if you want to be financially successful in the long run, you need to live below your means. There is no way for your savings to grow if you regularly spend all of your money or more than you earn. Step 6. Set up a fund for emergencies. Starting an emergency fund should be your first priority before you think about saving for retirement or paying off debt. Having an emergency fund can help you handle those unplanned expenses. Sometimes you might lose your job and have to make do for a while without a steady paycheck. Possibly you need to fix your car or go on a trip you didn't plan. An emergency fund can help you get through a tough time by paying for some or all of your expenses. Furthermore, having an emergency fund will help you relax because it gives you a backup plan. Step 7. Get rid of your debt. Staying financially stable will always be hard when you have a lot of debt. After making a budget and setting aside money for emergencies, you should focus on paying off your debt. Eliminate any credit card debt you may have and don't take out any more loans. Are you currently a student? Make extra payments so that student loans are paid off quickly. You don't have to start paying off your loans after 10, 20, or 30 years just because you agreed to a longer amount of time. Long term, paying off your loans faster will save you money because you'll pay less in interest. Here, the only catch is a debt. You have time to pay off your mortgage. Prioritize all of your other bills over your home. Maintain your home payments, but use any extra cash to pay off other bills first. As soon as you've paid off all of your other debts and started saving for retirement, you can focus on paying off your home early if you want to. Step 8. Start saving and investing for old age. Planning for retirement is hard when you're young. For what reason should you save money for something that will happen decades from now? That's why, unfortunately, the normal American doesn't have any cash for retirement. Being financially stable means planning for times when you won't get paid. This is especially important if you want to retire someday. Planning to travel when you retire? Wish to do some community service or enroll in nearby classes? These are all great things to do, but you need money to do them. You'll be glad you put your retirement first in the future. Commence saving for retirement right away, even if you don't have much money. Compound interest means that if you start early, you will make more over time. Make saving for retirement a priority right now by working hard. 401k and 403b plans are offered by a lot of companies. Utilize those, especially if they allow company matches. Employer matching means that your boss will match some or all of the money you put into your organization's retirement plan. Not using job matching is like turning down free money. Anytime your company doesn't provide a savings plan, you can create an IRA. Step 9. Enjoy yourself. You might forget to have fun when you're busy saving money or paying off debt. Plus, fun things usually cost money. Don't forget to live, though, because you're too focused on wealth. You can stay healthy and happy if you enjoy your current situation. Set aside some of your monthly income for fun spending. Every couple of months, you could get a massage or see a show. You should also keep an eye out for events that are free or cheap. You could go hiking or have a game night with your friends. Honoring your financial wins is another fun thing to do. Step 10. Stick to your long-term budget. Your monthly budget would be followed perfectly if everything were perfect. Repairs for your car and losing your job would never happen. Sadly, the world we live in is not perfect. It's normal to spend more money than planned when unexpected things happen. Do your best not to give up when things don't go as planned. Hold on to your promises even when things aren't going well. Be consistent, even if you skip weeks, months, or even years. That's all for today. Now you know all the steps that will make you rich very quickly, and that too very easily. The problem is that people don't bother working step by step and systematically. They do the things randomly. But the rich people are very smart. They do everything in proper order, and that's why they could create such a great fortune. Millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Charlie Munger wrecked systematically, and that's why they got rich. You must follow these steps if you really want to get rich. Comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions. Press the like button and also the subscribe button to get notified with more amazing financial videos. Share this video with everyone so that they could learn. Thank you all for watching the video till here.